With all the fear that's being injected into the market, with what's to happen tomorrow, April 2nd, with Trump's tariffs going into effect, the market is still trying to recover. Again, this is 100% in my opinion. I'm not here to trigger you or to offend you. If you want to go long, please put your money where your mouth is and go long. I've been wrong before. I'm just here to share that with what's to happen tomorrow, April 2nd, today being April 1st, I feel like the stock market is playing an April Fool's joke. It's a bull trap. Markets are going up for no reason. If you look at every news article, everything that is hindering the market, Wall Street is fed up with Trump's tariffs. Stocks are off to their worst start in years since 2022. Again, things are not looking good. And not just that they haven't been looking good, is the sentiment isn't good. Trump is on this like tariff war frenzy where now he's just handing out tariffs where originally it was kind of thought that he was going to pause. But tomorrow, April 2nd, they're supposed to go into effect for the 25% reciprocal tariffs for any automaker that is outside of the US. On top of that, we have Tesla reporting its Q1 of deliveries, and also Tesla is going up. Now, I can't find it in my mind how anyone can expect Tesla to exceed expectation when their expectation has already been dropped twice because of how terrible Elon and Tesla are doing in 2025. Now, again, I can be and have been wrong in the past before. This could be the very early stage of a possible reversal. And if you think that markets are just going to recover from here, then again, maybe you do want to buy into this. But for myself and for the way that I see everyone talking about the market as of right now, with more tariffs and more fear possibly being injected into the market in the future, I cannot see how it's possible that the markets can just naturally begin to recover with more fear, right around the corner. With that being said, again, on the 1 hour, a 4 hour time frame, we are looking oversold. It has been showing signs of a support, but even just like yesterday, the markets recovered for no reason. Again, there should be more fear being injected into the market, not signs of a recovery. It looks like the markets are just being very stubborn, and this is why when they sell off so aggressive, because they recovered for no reason. So my video and the only thing that I want to share with you today is tomorrow there is specific news and tariffs that are supposed to go into effect. There's a report that is happening for Tesla. And if the reports or news comes out worse than what is expected, then you can't be surprised for more selling pressure. If you can look at the 5-minute time frame, we do not have one red candle in sight since it began to take off. You guys let me know what you think. Do you think markets are going to recover, or do you think that this is a bull trap? Again, for those that don't know what that is a market fake out where markets are going up to encourage people to buy, and then it quickly turns against them as, again, the overall sentiment, in my opinion, is still bearish. Again, I'm making this very clear. I've been wrong in the past before. I can be wrong this time. I just cannot see how it would be possible for Tesla or for the market to actually be trying to recover a day before very significant news that has been causing so much fear being injected into the market. So very excited to follow up. Wanted to share this video, and we'll see tomorrow if we end up being right? I'll see you tomorrow for our live trading session. If you want to tune on in, second link in the description down below. You guys let me know if you think that this is a bull trap, or if you're buying into the dip or the reversal because you think markets are actually going to recover. We'll see you on the next one. Take care, team.